Alright guys, we're live for the Mets. Thanks again everybody for picking spots up. Once again, this has two cards that Troy is putting into the deal. One of which is the Willie Mays Stan Musial will go to the second place finish on the final roll. And the Wilmer Flores will go to the bottom. So good luck everybody. I'm going to type that I'm live.
Crazy fast. Yeah, you can get Wi-Fi all over this place. Cool. Make your home as connected as
I'm going to
possible.
respond to him.
With no data cap for $39.99 per month.
We are live. It is 7:27. It's 7:27. I'm going to copy and paste the list to random.org. Good luck, everybody. Oh. Thanks again for Troy for throwing in a couple cards to help try and get it moving. We got Troy on top, Eric on bottom, everybody else in between. And if Troy for some reason ends up in the second spot, I'll just go below the next available person below his spot, and same thing from the bottom. Whoever, if he ends up on the bottom, I'll go up to the next available name. So here we go, everybody. We're going to roll 2 dice. Has to be 4 or more. Going to go 7 times. 728, going 7, and good luck, everybody. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, Carl on top, Eric on the bottom, everybody else in between. Dice said to go 7. 728. Last and final time. Boom. Jacob Wyatt. Spot 68 is the winner of the Mets, guys. Troy lands spot 2nd, so we're going to go Joey Higdon will be the winner of the Willie Mays. Bottom spot, Carl Schmidt will get the Wilmer Flores. Once again, Jacob Wyatt is the winner of the Mets. Joey Higdon's going to get the Willie Mays, finishing underneath Troy. And Carl Schmidt will get the Wilmer Flores. Thanks again, everybody. Once again, dice said to go 7. We went 7 times. It's 7:29. And we are done. Didn't seem like a huge play at the time, but because it's 1-0 in the 6th inning. 7:29. 7:29. Thanks again, everybody.